Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 10.2 11th problem first. Listen. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. This is a parallelogram. Parallelogram, what condition we have for that? Kana AB opposite sides must be equal. AB is equal to CD. BC is equal to AD. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. That we know already. Okay. Now, what we have to prove? It is rhombus. To prove it is rhombus, what you have to tell that all the sides are equal. You have to tell that all the sides are equal. Clear? So first write given ABCD is a parallelogram, and then circumscribing a circle. Circumscribing a circle. What you have to prove? That ABCD is a rhombus. So since ABCD is a parallelogram, what we can tell? AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. That we can tell. And to prove it is rhombus, what we have to prove? All the sides are equal. AB, BC, CD is equal to AD. All the sides will be equal. Clear, children? So now, which theorem you are going to apply for this problem, Kana? Can you guess? Yes, which theorem we are going to apply? Theorem 10.2, because we have an exterior point. We have an exterior point and we can tell that the length of the tangent will be equal by theorem 10.2. Okay, so proof by theorem 10.2, that is equal tangent theorem. Equal tangent theorem. A is the exterior point. A is a external point or exterior point. Anything you can write. External point. So AP is equal to AS. And B is a external point. Then we can tell that BP is equal to BQ. Next, C is the external point. Then we can tell CR is equal to CQ. Mark this as 3. And then D is the external point. DR is equal to DS. DR is equal to DS. Clear? Add 1, 2, 3 and 4. Add everything. Okay. So AP, BP first. AP, BP plus CR, DR. Next, AC, BQ. Or you can combine. DC also you can write. Next steps we will write. Okay. CQ, ds. So AP BP will be AB, and this will be CD. And if you combine this two, AS DS BQ CQ, AB plus CD is equal to, this is AD and this is BC. So we proved that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Okay, mark this as fifth equation. Mark this as fifth equation. Now, in the given, we know that AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD, we know. Okay, but since ABCD is a parallelogram, we can tell that AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD. Mark this as 6. So from 5 and 6, we can tell that AB is equal to CD is equal to AD is equal to BC. That all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Since all the sides are equal, we can tell that ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Clear, children? So till this we know already. In 9th problem we have seen, no? Like the same you have to prove till this. Okay, after that, since ABCD is a parallelogram, we can tell that AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD. Then from these two, we can tell that AB is equal to CD is equal to AD is equal to BC. All the sides are equal. Then we can tell that ABC is a rhombus. Hence, we can tell that, hence we proved that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Clear, children? Namaste, students. 12th problem. In this, a triangle ABC is drawn. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribing a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Radius of this circle is 4 centimeter, such that the segments BD and BDC, BD and DC, the segment BD and DC, into which BC is divided by the point of contact D, or the length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter, of the length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the side AB, this side you have to find, and AC also you have to find. Okay, now which theorem you are going to apply for this problem? Yeah, which theorem? Equal tangent theorem. We have external point. First, we can tell that CD and CF, the length of the tangents, and the length is equal, 6 centimeter. If this is 8 centimeter, this one also 8 centimeter. So we know, now we know of a portion, remaining portion we have to find, that AF we have to find. Clear, children? So this I am going to take it as X, and this one also must be X. Why? The length of the tangents are equal from the same external point. Okay, so if this one is x means this one is also x. Clear, children? So the whole length will be, the AC is equal to x plus 6 centimeter. And here AB is equal to x plus 8 centimeter. X plus 8 centimeter. Clear, children? So how we can find the side AB and AC, children? Any guesses? First, join OE center to the point of contact. Center to the point of contact. Then it make 90 degree. Center to the point of contact. Then it make 90 degree. Okay. And then center to the point of contact. 90 degree. Clear, children? And then I'm going to join OA also. OC and OB. Clear? So what we are going to do to find the side AB and AC? Listen. So this side is 14 centimeter and this side is x plus 6 centimeter and this side is x plus 8 centimeter. Clear? So I'm going to find the area of the triangle. First I'm going to find the area of the triangle. After that full triangle I'm going to divide into 3 triangles. The first triangle is AOC. The first triangle is AOC and the second triangle is BOC. Second triangle is BOC and the third triangle is ABO. These 3 triangles I'm going to take. So tell me, children, area of the triangle AOC, area of the triangle BOC plus area of a triangle AOB. If you add all the areas means what you will get? You will get area of the full triangle. Area of the full triangle. Clear, children? That I am going to equate and I am going to find the sides AB and AC. Clear, children? Okay. First, given you have to write from the question and what you are going to find. Find AB and AC. This only you are going to find. Construction. What are all things we joined? Kana? Join OE, OF and OD and join OA, OB and OC also. Clear, children? Okay. Now start our proof. First, what we have done, this one you have to mention. If this is 6 centimeter and this one also 6 centimeter, no, that we have to mention by equal tangent theorem. We can tell that CD is equal to CF. C is a exterior point. C is a exterior point. So if this is 6 centimeter means CF also 6 centimeter. It implies BD is equal to BE. B is the exterior point. It implies BD is equal to DE is equal to 8 centimeter. Clear, children? Next, let AF is equal to X, and since A is an exterior point, we can tell that AF equal to AE. Therefore, AF is equal to AE is equal to X. So the side AB is equal to X plus 8 centimeter. AC is equal to X plus 6 centimeter. And BC is equal to 14 centimeter. Clear, children? Now, first, area of the full triangle, area of a triangle ABC is equal to area of a triangle AOC plus area of a triangle BOC plus area of a triangle AOB. 3 triangles. Okay. See here, Dakana. First I am going to find the area of the full triangle. Okay. We know the sides only. So by which formula we have to find the area of the triangle? By Heron's formula. If we know the sides, 3 sides, then by Heron's formula only we can find the area of the triangles. So first I am going to find area of a triangle ABC. Area of a triangle ABC by Heron's formula. So what is the Heron's formula, Kana? Area of a triangle ABC is equal to root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is nothing but A plus B plus C divided by 2. A plus B plus C divided by 2. A is what, Kana? Anything you can take. You can take this one also, A, B, C. Okay. Otherwise, A, B, C. This one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. Okay. X plus 8. First, you have to find the S1 semi-perimeter. A, B, C divided by 2. If you add all, what you will get, Kana? 28 plus 2x. If you add this 2, you will get 2x. If you add 8, 6, 14, you will get 28 divided by 2. We can cancel 2, no? We can take a 2 common outside, and x plus 14. S is equal to x plus 14. Next, apply here formula. Root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Clear, children? What is the value of S we found? Can you tell me? S is x plus 14. X is x plus 14. So x plus 14 minus A is what we have taken, x plus A. Clear? Close the bracket carefully. S is x plus 14. Here S is x plus 14 minus A value. Then x plus 14 minus B value is x plus 6. Close the bracket. Okay. And then third one, x plus 14 minus C value is 14. Close the bracket. Here we can cancel this 14 and 14, no? Plus 14 and minus 14. This one we can cancel. And write the remaining. X plus 14. Take the bracket first. X plus 14 minus x minus 8. X plus 14 minus x minus 6, and the remaining is x. Now x plus 14, x we can cancel here, and this one also we can cancel. So 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is what, Kana? 6. And 14 minus 6 is what? 8. And x. So 6, how we can separate? X plus 14, and we have x. 6, how we can write? 2 into 3. And 8, how we can write? 2 into 2 into 2. So from these two I'm going to take 1, and from these two I'm going to take 1 outside. So 2 into 2 root 3 x plus 14, remaining 3 x plus 14. So the area of a triangle ABC is equal to 4 root 3x x plus 14. Clear? So now in right hand side what we have, Kana? Area of a triangle AOC plus area of a triangle BOC plus area of a triangle AOB. So I'm going to take first this triangle. Write everything first. I tell you easily. First, area of a triangle AOC, that is RHS. I have taken RHS here. This is LHS. Area of a triangle AOC, area of a triangle BOC plus area of a triangle AOB. So first one, second and third. So area of a triangle formula is what, Kana? Half into base into height. Half into base into height. Half into base into height. Clear? For this triangle, which one is a base and which one is a height? Okay, for this triangle, the base is x plus 6. What about height? Height is nothing but height of the triangle is equal to radius of the circle. Already they said that radius of the circle is 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter and this one is 4 centimeter and this one is 4 centimeter. Clear, Kana? So AC is a base and OF is a height, that is 4. For all the problem, H is 4 centimeter height is. So I'm going to substitute of into x plus 6 into 4 plus of into, for this triangle the base is 14. For this triangle BOC, the base is 14 and the height is 4. And for this triangle x plus 8 and 4. Clear? 14 into 4 plus half into base is x plus 8 and height is 4. Clear? So what we can cancel here? 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 ones are 2 2. sir. Remaining will be of into x plus 6. Sorry, 1 by 2. We cancelled. Don't write that one. See here. First write the number 2 x plus 6 plus 14 into 2 is what? 28 plus 2 into x plus 8. Clear? 2 x plus 6 plus 14 into 2 is 28 plus 2 into x plus 8. Now simplify this one. 2x plus 12, 28, 2x plus 16. 2 8s are 16. So 2x plus 2x is 4x. If you add 12, 28 and 16, what you will get? 56. 56. Clear, children? You can take a 2 outside, no? If you take means what will be the remaining inside? X plus 14. X plus 14. So this is RHS. So shall we compare LHS is equal to RHS? Shall we compare? Okay. Now tell me, what is LHS? 4 root of 3x x plus 14. 4 root of 3x x plus 14. That is area of the triangle ABC is equal to area of the three triangles. Area of the three triangles, that is RHS, is 4 x plus 14. 4 x plus 14. Now we can cancel here 4. 4. And the root I am going to shift there. So 3x x plus 14 is equal to x plus 14 the whole square. So here I have x plus 14 and in right hand side I have x plus 14 the whole square. Here what you can do? You can cancel 1x plus 14. 1x plus 14 we can cancel. So write the remaining, children. 3x is equal to x plus 14. 3x is equal to x plus 14. So 3x, shift this x. We have to find the value of x only, no? So shift this x to the LHS. 14. 2x is equal to 14. It implies x is equal to 7 centimeter. X is equal to 7 centimeter. See here, if x is equal to 7 centimeter, then what is the side AB? 7 plus 8 is equal to, AB is equal to x plus 8, no? So, AB is equal to x plus 8 centimeter. X 7 plus 8 centimeter. So the answer is 15 centimeter. AB is equal to 15 centimeter. Then AC is equal to x plus 6 centimeter. Then 7 plus 6 centimeter is equal to 13 centimeter. AC is equal to 13 centimeter. AB is equal to sorry, this is C only. AB is equal to 15 centimeter. Clear, children? All of you clear? So first you have to divide this whole triangle into 3 triangles, and we can write area of the full triangle is equal to area of the 3 triangles. Okay, then easily we can find the answer side, that AB and the AC. But you have to be very careful while you are doing the calculation. Clear, children? This is very easy problem only. Understand and then do it. Thank you.